So we hid something in the van that you'll never find. It's not the owner's manual. It's not some random toys. You'll never expect it. So this is the Kona van. It's for sale right now for $150,000. We're about to show you every inch of it, including the hidden storage. I'm Alex with Beachside Custom Vans. We're a custom camper van builder based out of Jacksonville, Florida. Everything we do, we 3D design and cut on our CNC machine. Everything you see here was either built in-house or installed in-house. No outsourcing, no shortcuts. If you like this van, we got tons of new content coming out. Check out our Instagram and YouTube page, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it. So this van's a brand new 2025 all-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter van on a 144 wheelbase. This van comes with the upgraded 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty from Mercedes, as well as our 1-year builder warranty. So you could hit the road in comfort and style, but also peace of mind. So this van has BF Goodrich KO3 tires mounted on Black Rhino 17-inch wheels, allowing you to be truly off the beaten path. In order to fit these bigger wheels and tires, we had to install Van Compass's mud flap relocation kit. That way you're not going to be rubbing down the road. In order to get up on this van comfortably, we installed Dark Star Off-Road's side steps. They're on both driver and passenger sides. They're super durable and also are kind of like rock sliders as well, if you happen to get in tricky spots. With flare spaces on either or side, it increases your interior width by about 8 inches, allowing you to sleep side to side on a Sprinter van. Being a small van, we still wanted to make this van feel really open, so we installed windows throughout. You got an operable window on the flare space, as well as a sliding door, and then fixed windows behind the driver and on the rear doors. Hey guys! On the roof, we have a White Top Adventure roof rack, as well as a side ladder to get access to it. Also mounted to this roof rack is a 200-watt solar panel. And on the passenger side, we also have a Fiamma 10-foot awning. We also pre-wired this van for Starlink, so you have your connection points right here. So on the rear, we have Dark Star's spare tire mount. We mounted our 5th spare tire on here, Black Rhino obviously. On the opposite side, we also went with Dark Star's Sherpa panel. Mounted to that, we have a Backwoods Adventure Mods big box. You could also Sherpa stuff on either or side, so you can mount tons of gear in here. As well inside, tons of space with an adjustable shelf. It's really good to put all your outdoor gear in here, hoses, firewood, boots, whatever you still want to track dirt inside the van, just throw it in here, get it locked up. All right, you ready to see inside? Come on. So this is the Kona van. Before I show you the rest of the inside, I want to show you this really cool feature we came up with. It's a drop-down table. It's connected to a wire right here. All you gotta do is lock it, and it's rated for 35 pounds. Perfect for anything outdoor, if you wanna be hanging out with your friends, maybe set up a cooker, really whatever you want. Now let's check out the inside. So being in Florida, or really anywhere you are in the States, bugs are always an issue. So we install these bug screens. They're built by Bug Wall. They're magnetic on the middle, but zipped on either side. All you gotta do is snap them off on either side. You'll zip them down. And now you keep the pests when you're hanging out inside, but still have a beautiful outside feel. So as I mentioned before, being on the smaller wheelbase, we definitely wanted to make this layout feel as open as possible. And so that's why we kind of came up with this concept where it still feels really open on this side, but you still have tons of storage on this side. So behind the driver's seat, we installed this bench sheet, super comfortable for a third person. Below the bench sheet, you have a little bit more storage with an adjustable shelf. On the base of the driver's seat, we installed Canyon Van's Lagoon table mount with a Lagoon table. Your table over here. This is perfect for really hanging out either 2 or 3 people. Both the passenger seat as well as the driver's seat have swivel, kind of do work here, or you can kind of hang out with both there, swivel table around there. We'll kind of show you that in a second. So next to the bench, we have our Dometic. Wait, not yet. Talking about the fridge first. So yeah, the fridge is a Dometic NRX 115. It's got a really big fridge space and then a pretty decent freezer space as well. Obviously on top, we have another big countertop here, kind of coincide with your main countertop on the passenger side. Above the fridge and the bench, we got really big overhead cabinets. Both of them are gas struts, so they hold up. They also have automatic lights. Whenever you open and close them, the lights turn on and off. So over here, we have our massive closet. On one side, you got hanging storage. On the opposite side, you got shelving storage. Same thing like the overhead cabinets. Automatic lights turn on whenever you open them. Below the hanging and shelf storage, you got 2 massive drawers, as well as that bottom drawer holds your Laveo dry flush toilet. So as mentioned before, we installed a Laveo dry flush toilet. It's a cartridge toilet and just really easy to deal with your waste down the road, super smell proof. All you do is, 1, do your thing, then close it. You'll click this button, it pulls down your waste, vacuum seals it, and throws it into a trash bag. And so whenever you're done with the cartridge, it all drops into a trash bag. All you do is pull out that trash bag and just throw it away, really anywhere. So over here is our control panel. We have 3 different dimmers, all for your different light zones. You have your main lights, under overhead lights, and under overhead lights in your bed area. This is the brain of the system. This is a full Victron energy electrical system. On this, you're able to see the state of charge of your battery, how much battery capacity you have left at the current load. You're also able to see how much it's charging or discharging. You're also able to see tons of other stuff like your levels for your fresh and gray water tank, turning on and off your inverter, as well as the temperature in your vehicle and in your electrical system. To the right of that, we have our Espar controller. That's for the diesel heater that's mounted underneath the passenger seat. These 3 switches are your water system. So one's your water pump. The other 2 are your electric release valves for both your fresh and gray water tank. This is your master kill switch. So when you're away from the van, you could just cut your whole power really instantly. This one's your Starlink switch. This one's your hot water heater switch, and obviously some outlets, 120 volt and 12 volts to kind of service this front area. So on our passenger side, we have our kitchen galley. We have a really deep sink as well as a pull down faucet, so you're able to clean down your dishes over here, but you also can spray it out the side too. Underneath the sink, we have a little bit of storage. Your hot water heater's in there. It's a 4-gallon Bosch hot water heater, as well as your Apex water filter. On the right side of it, you have another big drawer for storage. Below that, there's a 4-in-1 GE air fryer, microwave, convection oven, broiler. And then below that, double doors for more storage, perfect for pots and pans. So as you're kind of seeing, all of our cabinets, we use this push-pop hardware. They're just awesome because they're never going to be opening up down the road. And I think they look really sleek. So this van has an insulated subfloor. On top of that, we use Lawn Seal marine grade vinyl flooring. It's super durable, really easy to clean, but also is waterproof. And so yeah, we use it on all of our builds. We really love this company. So like we talked about before, everything we do in this van is going to be 3D designed and cut on our CNC machine. We use the highest quality materials, leading to the highest quality products. Our walls and ceiling are 1/4-inch birch plywood wrapped in Marathon Plus upholstery. All of our cabinetry is going to be white oak plywood that we finish with 3 to 4 coats of polyurethane. Super durable, but also giving a little bit of sheen, so it makes it really easy to clean, as well as water resistant too. Our countertops are solid surface, and they look amazing and also super durable as well. We also installed Go Code's sliding door trim as well as the rear door trim just to really give the van a finished look. For climate control, we have our max air fan up here. This has intake, outtake, 10 different speeds. So it's really nice. If it's cooler outside, you can put this on outtake, crack one of your vans, and you'll get a really nice breeze through the van. In the rear, over the bed, we have a Velit 12-volt AC. Super efficient, doesn't really pull a lot of power, but is really high in BTUs. That way it keeps the van cool in the summer months. Below, on the passenger seat, we have an Espar diesel heater. That thing will definitely crank you out in the cold winter months. So lastly, in the interior, we have a fixed bed frame. On top of that, we have a custom, about a queen size mattress up here. We get this custom cut as well as a perfect foam. We do this foam for all of our clients for custom builds, and everybody raves about it. One of their favorite features of our vans. So over the bed on the driver's side, we have more overhead cabinet storage. We've made these a little bit smaller, so that way you still have storage, but it doesn't feel as tight and closed off in here. As well as we have outlets on the passenger side too, so you could charge your phone or laptop at night. So I personally love fixed beds and 144s because it gives you tons of space in the garage area. A lot of our clients that we'll do custom builds for, that we do dinettes that turn into beds, never actually even convert it back and forth. They always just keep it at a bed and just leave it as is. Comment below, let me know what you think is better, either having a fixed bed or doing a dinette that turns into a bed. So as mentioned before, we have a full Victron energy electrical system. It comes with two 200 amp hour lithium batteries, a 3000 watt inverter charger, a 50 amp DC to DC charger, as well as 200 watts of solar above. We build our electrical systems that way. If you guys did want to upgrade down the line, you could easily add a third and even fourth battery, as well as swap out the DC to DC charger for a dual alternator. On the passenger side, we have our water system. So below this, we have a 30-gallon freshwater tank, your pump and accumulator in here as well. You also have a rear door shower. This is also serviced by the hot water heater that's underneath your kitchen galley. On top of the water tank, we built this little lip. That way you can put tons of storage on here. That way when you're driving, it's not gonna be sliding around. There's also a little cubby there, so again, more storage in there too. Lastly, on the water cabinet, we put these access panels on all three sides, side, and the top, just in case we ever did need to service your water pump or accumulator. Just really easy access for us. All right, you guys have been waiting long enough. Let me show you what we've been hiding in this van. Come with me. So we've been hiding something from you guys. This is not just your grill. This is actually a hidden storage spot. Oh wait. But all jokes aside, this is a really good spot for hidden storage. You could either keep cash, valuable documents, concealed carries. Gives you that peace of mind that you could throw stuff in there, kind of leave the van, and no one really knows about it, unless you watch this video. Again, my name's Alex. I'm with Beachside Custom Vans. This is the van Kona. It's for sale. Check out all of our links below for more information. We have our YouTube, our Instagram, and our website also below. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you're interested, subscribe and you can watch more videos that we post. Cheers.